Lay's potato chips. They look so simple, just thin, golden slices with a salty crunch. But behind every bag is a staggering operation few people ever see. Here's a number that might surprise you. A single Lay's mega factory can churn out over 10 million bags of chips in just 24 hours. To make that happen, it chews through more than 750 tons of raw potatoes every single day. Now, here's the real mystery. How do dusty, irregular potatoes, pulled from the soil, transform into perfectly uniform chips, identical in every bag, on every shelf, around the world? What hidden steps make sure they're always the same golden color, the same paper-thin crisp, the same flavor? That's made Lay's a global addiction. Today, we're taking you inside one of PepsiCo's most advanced factories to uncover the science, the engineering, and the billion-dollar secrets behind the world's most irresistible snack. Number 1. From farm to factory. The journey of the perfect potato. Every Lay's potato chip starts long before it reaches the fryer, out in the open fields. Here, farmers plant special seed potatoes bred for one purpose: to become the perfect chip. These varieties aren't chosen at random, they're selected for their starch levels, low sugar content, and uniform size. Why? Because too much sugar means the chips turn dark in the fryer, and irregular shapes would never pass the factory's strict standards. When harvest season arrives, specialized digging machines sweep through the soil, pulling up entire plants. The scale is staggering. Up to 40,000 potatoes per minute are unearthed, shaken free of dirt and funneled directly into waiting trucks. It's a synchronized dance between man, machine, and earth, designed to keep the flow smooth and non-stop. From there, the journey speeds up. Potatoes head straight to massive storage hubs built to handle hundreds of tons daily. Inside, they're funneled into optical sorters equipped with high-resolution scanners. Each potato is photographed and analyzed in milliseconds, its color, shape, and firmness checked with scientific precision. Imperfect ones, too small, bruised, or off-color, are instantly ejected. Only the elite spuds move forward. Those chosen are carefully loaded into giant wooden crates and rolled into cold storage facilities. Picture this: warehouses capable of holding up to 40 million potatoes at once, all kept in perfect temperature and humidity. Some rest here for weeks, even months, until the factory calls for the next batch. Number 2. Precision sorting and high-tech cleaning. When trucks loaded with potatoes roll into the factory gates, the first step is all about precision. The entire truck is tilted upward on a hydraulic lift, dumping tens of thousands of potatoes onto fast-moving conveyors. From here, the spuds enter one of the most advanced sorting and cleaning systems in the food industry. Even though they were washed at the farm, dirt and tiny stones can still cling to them. And in a factory running at full speed, a single pebble could scratch sensitive blades or damage peeling machines. That's why every batch goes through a two-stage defense system. First, optical scanners. These machines snap high-speed images of each potato, up to 400 spuds per second, checking color, size, and surface condition. If a potato is bruised, rotten, or too small, it's rejected instantly with a precise burst of air. Next, the survivors head into industrial washing tunnels. High-pressure water jets, spinning brushes, and swirling vortex tanks scrub every surface clean. By the end of this stage, what started as a dusty crop pulled straight from the soil has been transformed into a uniform stream of spotless, factory-ready spuds. It's this attention to detail that ensures consistency, because in snack food, even the tiniest flaw can multiply into millions of bad chips. And once they're sparkling clean, the potatoes are ready for their first real makeover. Number 3. Slicing and frying. The golden transformation. Once the potatoes are spotless, it's time for the stage that truly defines a Lay's chip, the slicing and frying. Each potato drops into a rotating drum slicer, where powerful centrifugal force presses it against razor-sharp blades. In a split second, the spud is transformed into 35 perfectly even slices, each only about 0.06 inches thick, just the right balance for crispness without breaking apart. The difference of even a fraction of a millimeter can change the texture completely. Too thick, and the chip feels heavy and chewy. Too thin, and it curls or snaps before it even reaches the bag. From here, the raw slices are sent through a water flume that rinses off excess starch. If starch stays on, the chips will clump together during frying. Something no snack lover wants. Next comes the magic moment, the fryer. Imagine a stainless steel river of oil stretching over 40 feet long, kept at a steady 350 dF. The thin slices slide in, and in just about 3 minutes, steam escapes from the potato cells, replaced by oil. This is what creates that signature crunch. But there's a secret. Lay's uses a precise blend of fresh and reused oil, always 50/50. Too much fresh oil and the chips get greasy. Too much used oil and they turn dark with a bitter taste. This balance gives Lay's its familiar golden color and light texture. By the time the slices rise out of the fryer, they're no longer potatoes. They're crispy, golden chips, still warm and fragrant. To protect them, even the conveyor belts are designed to gently vibrate instead of rotate, so the delicate chips aren't crushed before they reach the next stage. And as they cool slightly, another transformation is about to happen. The addition of flavors that make Lay's chips so addictive. But before the seasoning, every chip must first face the factory's toughest critic, the optical inspection line. Number 4. Seasoning, quality control, and global flavors. As the chips leave the fryer, still warm and perfectly crisp, they enter the stage that gives each bag its unique character. Seasoning and quality control. The first touch is simple, a light dusting of salt. But then comes the real magic. Inside a giant rotating drum, the golden slices are showered with flavor blends. Paprika, onion, sour cream, barbecue, or even exotic mixes like seaweed in Asia and masala in India. As the drum spins, every chip is evenly coated while still hot, which makes the seasoning cling tightly to the surface. This is why no two chips in a bag taste bland. It's engineering designed to make every bite consistent. But flavor is only half the story. Each batch faces multiple quality checks. High-speed optical scanners examine up to 400 slices per second, instantly rejecting chips with burnt edges or dark spots. At the same time, human inspectors pull random samples, testing crunch, color, and seasoning coverage. A chip that's too pale, too salty, or even slightly under-fried won't make it into the bag. Number 5. Smart packaging, big business, and the snack culture. Each batch begins with a smart weighing system. Advanced machines calculate the exact combination of chips down to a fraction of an ounce, so every bag, from a single-serve snack to a jumbo party pack, hits its target weight. Consistency here isn't just about portion, it's about trust between brand and consumer. Then comes the nitrogen flush. Instead of oxygen, nitrogen fills each bag before sealing. This prevents chips from going stale and creates that familiar puff of air you feel when you open a fresh bag. Far from wasted space, it's actually a cushion, protecting delicate chips during shipping. But beyond the science, each sealed bag is part of a global business machine. PepsiCo produces billions of Lay's bags every year, serving more than 200 flavors across 120 countries. In the US, they're a Super Bowl staple. In Europe, they're paired with beer in pubs. In Asia, wild flavors like seaweed or spicy crab keep snack lovers hooked. A potato chip isn't just food, it's a cultural export, an industry that employs thousands, and a reminder of how something so ordinary can shape everyday habits worldwide. So, next time you tear open a bag, remember, you're not just snacking. You're tasting the result of a billion-dollar system that runs from farm fields to your fingertips. If you found this journey fascinating, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the foods we take for granted.